Since 1984, our USA-owned and operated plastics company has helped customers reduce plastic and composite sheet, rod, and tube costs with optimized material yields with cut-to-size service the Boedeker way. We offer a wide range of cutting technologies that include CNC precision cutting with tolerances as close as plus or minus 5 thousandths of an inch on diameters or thicknesses up to 28 inches. Our cut-to-size service allows our clients to purchase the optimal material sizes for their projects and maximize their yields, which reduces cost by eliminating excessive wasted material and machine time. We cut all materials from commodity to advanced engineering plastics and composites. Contact us about our cut-to-size service and see how Plastics the Boedeker way can help reduce your plastic material costs and supply chain headaches with our fully traceable, multi-million-dollar unmatched inventory, available with cut-to-size and same-day shipping.